Hi guys, today we're gonna do some makeup, I don't know. So there's these, this one. These were lip glosses, but I use them on my lipstick. Don't mind the noise behind me. My hair's a little bit crazy. Okay, so this is my first time doing this, so this isn't on YouTube. No, it's not. I'm not. But Tyler, stop! Sorry, that's just my brother being annoying and going knock, knock, knock on the door. Okay, now we have pink, blue, pink, and teal. And some blush. There's my brother. Stop. Sorry about my brother. Not supposed to be part of this. But let's start the blush. Stop. Okay. More blush. No. Okay, done with blush. Too much blush. Okay, I found out how to do. So let me show you all my lip glosses. One. Okay. First of all, that one. This one. This one. This one. And this one. And this one. Done. Now, I'm going to show you how you're going to do your face up. I'm sorry. I'm way too crazy for today. Also, this is a YouTube channel. No, it's not, but I'm pretending it is, so. Let's do the same on the other. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing the lightest kind.
What you doing? Evie, I have to pee.
Cool, P and Mom's about to my YouTube channel. Okay, now my brother will go away right now. Right now. I'm just 7. I can't. Fine. Just come in.
I'll be good for video.
Okay.
I've been part of it.
Okay, just okay, so done.
Hey, Evie, how long is those videos over?
6 minutes.
So when that says 6, are you done? Ow.
Yeah.
I have to pee.
Okay, pretend you didn't hear that one.
Be sure to check out our website and like and subscribe. And I will have a brand new episode next week, I promise.